'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna.
Hey guys, it's Kimmy. How's it going? Happy Saturday. I thought I would just come out and hang out with y'all for a while and let y'all see what I was doing. I am treating myself, and I'm gonna tell you to treat yourself too. My sister said I'm in my soft girl era. I'm getting my car washed, detailed. Look at there, my baby's getting detailed. And the headlights really quick were like really gray, and you can see them now. Actually, one is crystal clear and the other one is not. So treating myself to a car wash. I'm at the Mr. Clean here, and it's just one of them things I want to do for myself. You know, I'm always talking about having new experiences and just enjoying myself, and your girl was like, I'm going to get a car wash. It's something I've been wanting to do for a minute. I want them to get every nook and cranny in my car. And when your car is clean, just like when you dress nice, you feel better. Your car is clean, you feel better. And I'm just stoked. I'm really stoked. Let me show y'all one more time. Get my car washed. And I'm sitting in here like somebody got some money, but I'm just treating myself today. So treat yourself sometimes. The whole point of this video, y'all know I'm always about that. Have those experiences. Okay. Check out Mr. Clean. Look, they do all this express. Now I got talked into a higher plan, but I came in here for a full-blown detail. This they get an interior for $22. I don't know how much a car wash costs. It's the plain car wash. So I am tickled pink. They are doing my headlights. Look at that. So yeah, I paid $125 for this car wash. I wanted every nook and cranny done in my vehicle. The mats pulled in between the seats, everything. It's one of those things I just wanted to treat myself to. And I was with my sister. She gonna buy my lunch for me. So anyway, I just wanted to show y'all. Sometimes you gotta treat yourself. Sometimes take time out and treat yourself. You know, and again, it's raining. I picked the worst day to get it done. Look, you can't see the rain. It's drizzling, but it's just one of those things. I wanted to get it. I got it done. They are redoing the headlights, like cleaning them. That is sparkling like new money. Yeah. It's worth every penny of it. I'm gonna show y'all the inside in a minute. I'm gonna show y'all the difference in the headlights right quick. Look at this one. Sparkling like new money, and then the other one look like it's got cataracts. You can't see it. The guy's laughing. You did that though. You did that. I don't have you on camera, but you did that. Yeah. Yeah. We're about to be riding. Can you be on camera, Karen? Okay. Karen think it's taking too long because she has zero patience. I'm hungry. I'm enjoying my experience and getting my car done.
I'm hungry.
And we getting ready to go eat at what you decide?
I don't know, but I'm hungry.
If she say that one more time, we are going to what's Culver's? We think we gonna eat at Culver's.
I'm hungry.
Get a fish sandwich. But y'all, they knocking it out the box. Mr. Clean, let's go. Let's go. I'm loving it. Okay. So now I got to get ready to tip them because they've done such an amazing job. So it's really $125 plus I'm going to give them each $10. I guess so. Oh, Lord. Okay. Bye-bye. Now I done paid $125, but let me show y'all the lights right quick. One side looks whiter than the other side. Look at that. So me and my sister like, wait a minute, why is the left side sparkling crystal clean and the other side is not? Yeah, showroom new, but the other side is not. So we just asked him to clean it, and he about to bust it. I don't know what that was all about.
She ain't got a woman can't always do what a man can do.
Oh. Now, Karen's right. I mean, some of y'all don't get mad, but sometimes
That's what we need them.
yeah, we do need them.
I ain't got one, but we need them.
She's so crazy. Look at this one. She's doing all that with the machine. She just did it with a claw. Now, one of us is crazy.
She is.
Yeah, she talking about the car's ready. I'm like, no, it's not. And he doing it with the machine. Look at that. I want them both to be sparkling clean. Yeah, that's completely different. Now see, I gotta give him more tips. I don't know who to tip. Do I tip him equally? Or she tried to play me? Oh, Lord. Karen, listen. Do I tip him equally? Or do I tip him more because she tried to play me?
I respect women in hard work. She's still out here sweating. It's 80 degrees. It ain't hard. You tell nobody. I bet a girl.
Y'all got a tip though.
I would tip, man.
Equally?
You know what? No, I wouldn't be equal. She would get something though.
Yeah, because
No, you're right. I agree.
What?
No. She would get something, but I would probably give him part of hers.
Right.
He had to go back over there and redo
Yeah, he had to go back over there and do
instead
her
of her
work.
asking for help.
And
She just gonna give you a part.
yeah, did she think I wasn't gonna notice the difference? All right, y'all, we gonna handle this and we'll be in touch. But still get your car cleaned if you want to. I'm still happy about everything else, but why she trying to play me? Now she looking. Okay, bye. What's so interesting about the car thing with the lights is that I actually paid extra for that. That's why we bugging about it. Yeah. I paid for the headlights to be restored. Yeah, so she just took a rag and wiped it. I don't know if she knew I paid for it or not. And the older guy, he is putting his heart into it. Let me show y'all. So she's looking like, uh-oh, I'm busted. Hold on.
You ain't busted, sis. You just ain't getting that shit like we got
because I'm like, why this one look like that? He laughed because he knew it was a difference. All right, y'all. Are we talking too much about a car wash? I don't think so. But she got my 125, so. You got my 125. I want it right. So just left the car wash. Did our double check. They did a nice job. Right quick. They got all the nook and cranny and everything. And then we come out and it's raining. It was pouring when we first came out. It's just slowed up now. Oh my goodness. That's all. It's okay. Okay, I wanted to give y'all a better view of the rain. So here we go. Left the car wash, $125 plus tip. And the lady, because we tipped the man more, but he did more work. When I looked in the car, it was a couple more things I wanted done, so he handled it. So I tipped him more than I tipped her, and I could tell the lady was a little upset. But like my sister was saying, we tipped both of them because, you know, that lady was working hard out here in this heat, Georgia heat. Okay, I'll show y'all the rain. I gotta cut the camera. La 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 la. Alright, we gotta put the phone down. Hey guys, so it's late in the evening. Y'all know I had that car wash. I just finished my walking. That's why my glasses are steaming up. Look at that. Your girl been busy. But anyway, I got that walk on. Look at that glisten. Trying to get back on track over here. But anyway, I was sitting here talking to Jeffrey. And I said, let me come see y'all really quick and give you a final thought on that car wash today. Because I paid $125 plus tip 2 people. Okay. So by the time we finished, it was a lot. And basically the main reason I wanted that super duper car wash is because of the crevices in the car. Well, I went on Amazon and I found several kits that could handle that. I didn't know they even existed. I really didn't, because that's the main reason I went there. So I wanted to share that tip with you. So you may check into Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. There are several kits, and they have the little pieces that you have the blow dryer with, and you can get into the crevices to get those crumbs out. In my case, some crumbs probably been there for 10 years because we didn't have anything small enough to get in there. Okay, so I just always like to share little finds with y'all. So I'm gonna put it in the description box, and when this video is being edited, I'll see if Jeffrey can drop a picture of it for you. Okay, so you can see what I'm talking about. And that way you might can save yourself $125 plus. But I did it, so don't be hating in the comments and be like, girl, you must be rich. No, I'm not, but it was just one of those things. As my 50-year-old plus self, I wanted my car washed, and I wanted it detailed, and I did it. Okay? Bye.
Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you.